Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about stopper bracket. Left side you can see the component, right side is the flat pattern. So this is the component I am going to create. So this is the flat pattern. So let's start now. So I have taken a new SolidWorks part file. Select the top plane, go to sketch, select center rectangle, this is 40, this is 80. Go to sheet metal, select base flange, and thickness I have taken 3 mm, K factor is 0.45. See, K factor should be always less than 0.5. So next I am going to create edge flange. Both sides. See here. See the so I'm keeping in right side view. See here. Here we have to apply material inside so that this face exactly matches this edge. So that is important. So we should not give this material outside so that it exceeds this dimension. So in order to maintain this dimension we have to keep this. So this is important while creating these flanges. See here. Now I am going to modify this sketch. So I am keeping in right side view, so front view. Here I am going to trim this. Now I am going to use power trim. Now we have to make these two lines equal. These two lines equal. This is 50, this is 5, this is 15. So now it is fully constrained and say OK. See, this is created, so we have to create the other side. So in order to make symmetric, show the sketch. So we have to unhide all these sketches. See, we can see this sketch. Now we can see the sketch. Now I am going to use this sketch for other flange. So I am going to remove these three lines and select convert entities. So here I have selected this, and this line is already existing here, so we don't have to make it. Say OK. See, so this sketch is transferred here and say OK. So this is created. Instead of creating this mirror feature, this is the best practice in sheet metal. So whenever we modify this sketch, it automatically reflects on the other sketch, and both will be same size and symmetric. Select the sketch and hide this. Now I am going to create the side flanges. So select the edge flange, select this edge, move upward and come out of this feature, go to sketch, edit sketch, this is 22, and this is 50. See, we have to make this as a construction line, and we have to draw one 3-point arc. Select these two entities and make it tangent. So it is fully constrained now. See here. So now we have to modify this. Since the material is going inside, see here. So to avoid such problem, what we have to do is we have to select material outside. See here. This is important. It is coming out. There is no tearing of material. So we have to create one more flange. So select this edge, move upward and save it. See here. So we have to select material outside. See, when we are creating material outside, it is throwing an error. It's because of this sketch. So what we have to do is we have to modify the sketch, move little bit inside and make it down, and this is 22, this is 50. So similarly we have to make this construction. And make it tangent. See here. Now I am going to create one more flange at this location. See, we have to create like this, and we have to select offset. So this offset is 50. See here. See this. See, it is exactly meeting at this point. We have to provide some clearance. So what we have to do is we have to modify this sketch. So move these 2 points inside and assign a gap between these 2 edges, that is 0.1, and here also 0.1. This is like slightly clearance, and this height is 15. And see, okay. See here. Now select one more edge flange. See, remove offset and select material outside and come out of this. See here. See, it is exactly having sharp edge. So material outside is important for these kind of flanges. Now we have to modify this sketch. Select these 2 lines, pull in here and see, okay. Now apply break corner, select the fillet option and select these edges. See here, this I am going to remove the sharp edges at this flange, and here also. See here, the 4 locations, these 2 and these 2. See here. So okay, so it is created now. So this component is ready. I am going to show you the flat pattern. So this is how it looks like. See here, clearance is important. So in DFMA stage, based on the material thickness, type of material, we are going to modify this gap. So initial design we can assign any value. So this is the flat pattern, and this is the final component. So this is brief about stopper bracket component in sheet metal. Thanks for watching.